Hi everyone, it's Ritza. I'm in the middle of working on a layout using some of my Studio Calico kits. And in one of those kits, we got this whole pack of die cut flowers. And you get canvas and paper shapes in here to create flowers. And on the sample it shows you in the back of the package, what you can do is you could take your shapes and layer them and create flowers. Well, I'm more of a 3D embellishment type person. I really like a lot of bulk to my embellishments, and I wanted to find a way to make 3D flowers out of them. And playing around, I came up with just really quick and simple ideas to make these flowers more 3D. And to do that, you're going to do a few simple supplies. I'm going to be using a hot glue gun and a pair of scissors, and this is optional. You can use an end of a pencil or anything like that to roll your flowers, but I'm going to be using these tools by Imaginis. This is the petal roller for paper, so you can see the tip is very thin, and this is the petal roller for fabric, and you can see the difference between the tips. I'm going to be using both of these today. And what I'm going to do is, on these ones that are shaped like flowers, you can see these are shaped like flowers. And these are circular. So the ones that are shaped like flowers, you're simply going to take your scissors and cut a slit from one of the, grooves to the center. So as you can see, you have the petal shape, and then here you have one of the grooves. So just take your scissors and just cut a slit right down to the middle. That's all you need to do. So as you can see that. Then I'm going to take my hot glue and just apply just a small strip of adhesive just along one of the cut sides. Okay, so now I had my adhesive on there, and then all I'm simply going to do is just bend it and take this petal and put it in the back of the other petal. And you get this 3D type shape. Now, to create the center, like I've done in these, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, let's see, this circle cut out of cardstock. I'm going to take my scissors, and I'm just going to start at one edge and just cut a spiral. I'm just going to cut a spiral. It doesn't have to be perfect. So see, I'm just going around and just moving the paper, but leaving my scissors still. And you're going to get a spiral. And you're going to get something like this. So let this bulky, because that's where I'm going to put the adhesive when I roll my flower. And then you're going to take your petal roller, and whatever side of the paper you want to show, you need to roll that inwards. So since I want this light pink tan color to show, I'm going to roll it in. So I've put the paper in between the slit and the petal roller, and you're simply just gonna turn it. And at first it's gonna be kind of tight, but once you get done turning, you can loosen up the flower and shape it. So see, I've rolled it all the way to as far as it'll let me do, because I have this chunk part there to put my adhesive, and then you're just gonna remove your tool and just shape your flower. See? And you're going to take some glue and apply it to that tab we left at the end. And then you're just going to attach all the layers. And I like to put it on my non-stick surface and just press it down so the glue disperses through the whole flower and attaches all of the layers. Then you get a little flower that looks like this. And if you want, you can go in and trim it up to make it more uniform, but I don't mind it looking like that. I like the fact that it's unique and different. So I'm just going to let it be just like that is. And then you're simply going to take some more glue, apply it to the back of your rolled flower, and glue it in the center of the one we just made. So you're going to get something like this. So now you have more of a 3D embellishment with something that's flat. And for this one, this is a fabric circle, so we're going to do the same thing. Simply going to take your scissors and just cut a spiral out of it. Leaving a little tab shape so that you can roll your flower into it. I'm going to be using the fabric petal roller. Once again, the side that I want to show is being rolled inwards. I'm going to apply some adhesive to that little tab we left. And then I'm going to push into it to disperse all the glue. And you get flower. And then we're going to do the same thing we did to the other petal shaped flower. We're going to take one of the grooves, cut into the center, apply adhesive to one of the sides, bend it and attach it to the back of the petal. Apply adhesive to the rolled flower and attach it right in the center. Yeah, here you are. Alright, so for this one, I did the same thing, except I added a little button with some twine in the center of these. And for these, I think I'm going to use some gems. So you can leave them as is if you like it. I just want to put a little bling on my pages, so I'm going to add some gems in the center of those. Alright, so that's it. That's my quick little tip. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'm going to have pictures on my blog and at the end of this video with my finished project. Thanks for stopping by.